In this video, I will show you how to insert checkboxes or tick boxes in Google Sheets and apply conditional formatting across entire rows. Open your Google Sheet where you want to add checkboxes. Highlight the cells or select a cell where you want to insert checkboxes. You can select a single cell or a range of cells. Go to the menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Checkbox. This will add checkboxes to the selected cells. To add checkboxes to additional cells, click on the cell with the checkbox. Then drag from the bottom right corner of that cell to copy it to other cells. Now you can check or uncheck your list to determine whether it is complete or incomplete. But if you want to highlight the whole row within your dataset, then follow these steps. Highlight your data range. Make sure to select the range of rows that you want to format based on the checkbox status. Navigate to the menu and click on Format. Then select Conditional Formatting. This will open a sidebar for setting up your rules. In the sidebar, under Format Rules, choose Custom Formula Is. Enter a formula that references the checkbox cell. For example, if your checkboxes are in column D, use $D1. This formula checks if the checkbox in column D of each row is checked. Select the formatting style, like background color or highlight color, that you want to apply when the condition is met. Click Done. Close the sidebar panel. Now, when a checkbox is checked, the entire row will change according to your specified formatting. Actually, the entire row will now change its format based on whether the corresponding checkbox is checked or not. By following these steps, you can effectively manage tasks and visually highlight data in Google Sheets using checkboxes and conditional formatting.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.